Okay, so today we're gonna be working on some birthday and Christmas gifts. So I'm gonna make all of my family members custom sweaters. So let me set up the machine and come along as I work on these. Yeah, my brother's birthday is tomorrow. He's a December baby. I feel so bad for people born in December because, you know, Christmas and stuff can get kind of crazy. But yeah, okay. Let me oil the machine. Okay, so yeah, the only thing that my brother requested for his birthday that he wanted was a birthday sash. So we'll work on that as well today, or probably tomorrow because it's kind of late. I also need to design it. So while I have the machine running, I'll work on the cutting file on the computer. But yeah, dude, I feel so bad for anybody that's born in December because it gets a little crazy. I don't know like what to get my brother 2 times, right? Like for his birthday and for Christmas. I feel like everything's like too soon together. But yeah, okay, so let me cut the stabilizer and then yeah, so for his sweater that I'm gifting him, it's gonna be Bad Bunny theme. He's into Bad Bunny right now, so let's do that. And then for the Christmas gift, I'm gonna start off with my brother's fiance. I know she likes Bad Bunny too, but I think right now she's into like Karol G, so I'm gonna do a Karol G sweater for her. Her sister she's into Harry Potter, so I'm just waiting for the sweaters to get delivered, and I'll do another video making the rest of the Christmas sweater. We have the sweater and hoop in the machine. We're gonna start off with my brother's birthday gift. I'm gonna make him this Bad Bunny themed sweater. So I already inputted all of the colors. Let's start the machine. So yeah, we're done with the first sweater. I think it stitched out pretty good. Okay, let me unhoop it so we could hoop the other one. I'm gonna work on the second sweater. I'm gonna input the colors right now. So it's done. Let's unhoop this. That way we can start on the birthday sash. But yeah, ta-da! So the sweater is done. This is also a gift to be for Christmas. And so let's fold that. But I went ahead and took out all of the material for the birthday sash. Like I said, he wanted Bad Bunny. So he went with black and this glitter vinyl. So let me send the cutting file into my cutting machine so we can cut this and press it on the ribbon. It's like low-key kind of embarrassing, but you know, you gotta improvise at 11 at night. So my mat is like super dry, it's not sticky at all anymore, so I need to get a new mat. I'll do that tomorrow, place an order for it, but I do need to finish this, right? So I taped it. Hopefully it works right now. Oh my goodness, con mis cosas. But anyways, okay, so I already imprinted the text and yeah, okay, let's go. Put okay, and we're gonna cut and let's start. Cutting, so yeah, taping it worked. It actually worked. But yeah, don't be like me. Have an extra mat in hand. But like I said, I need to replace it though, because I actually kind of cut through this, if you can see. Because I forgot to change the knife, like the blade settings the other time that I was using it. I was like, oh shoot. But yeah, I was kind of nervous though if the tape thing was gonna work or not, just because you know you need to be careful because the registration marks, right, of the thing. But okay, let me quickly take this. So I'm letting the heat press warm up right now, but quickly let's add the sheets onto the ribbon. 3 more minutes. It's still heating up, but yeah, I think it's gonna turn out really cute. Hopefully he likes it, him and his friend. So just finished both of the birthday sashes. Like I said, this is for his friend and this is for him, and I think they came out so cute. Love the glitter vinyl on these. But okay, yeah, I need to go to bed because it's already midnight. Okay, so we purchased this balloon kit from Amazon, and we need to make the little Bad Bunny heart. So they give us the heart. I probably need to print out the little face though, and I think these are for the arms and legs, so let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I finished cutting the face out of sticker paper, so I'm gonna stick that onto the heart. Okay, so this actually stayed on here pretty good. I've seen people use also like vinyl, permanent vinyl on here on the balloons, like they'll stick on the cutout. But okay, now let's add the arms. Okay, so this is how the balloon turned out. However, though, I really do want it to resemble the character as much as possible, so I printed out the hands out of cardstock paper. So yeah, like I said, the face is out of sticker paper. I cut it out by hand, and then I just taped it on there. It actually did stay, so I'm surprised. Anyways, and yeah, cardstock. So I'm just gonna quickly add tape to this and stick it on the balloon. Okay, wow, it actually worked. Okay, so let's do the other hand. Yeah, so I'm just using the glue, the little glue dots that came with the balloon kit. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! So yeah, this is how it turned out. I'll have the file up on my blog if you guys would like to recreate this. There are a bunch of videos on YouTube though if you guys would rather see, you know, experts make this. But you know, if I did it, I feel like you could recreate this as well. So yeah, now I need to go get the cake. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.